guys, it's Jessie Popstar back with another video today. What's jingling is my gymnastics bracelet. But today, of course, you read the title, that's why you're watching this. I'm going to Walmart to shop for slime supplies, come back and record me making slime for the first time. Like literally, I've watched like a billion hours, like billion videos of people making slime, and you guys should totally subscribe to Karina Garcia, and I will link her channel down below. She's like the slime queen. Yeah, I'll definitely link her channel down below. And yes, I am on my bed right now, in case you were wondering. I did tear down my fort. It was up for 3 days, so you know, it's about time I take it down. But if you do want me to post a time lapse of me taking it down, which I did record, then make sure to give this video up to 50 likes. If this video gets to 50 likes, I made 2 videos of me taking down my fort and making my bed, which is actually pretty entertaining. You know, watching someone make their bed really fast. You try it. It's really entertaining. But yeah, if you do want me to post that on YouTube, get this video to 50 likes. I know that is a little hard, but it's not like something that cool to post on YouTube. So 50 likes and I will post it on YouTube. A lot of blabber. I mean, it's 1 minute intro, which is really crazy. But yeah, I will also leave the link down below for the tour of my fort, which I made. You can just go to my channel and look for it. But to make it easier, I will just get a link for it down below, as well as Karina Garcia's channel, which is the Slime Queen. And I'm so excited. My dad is about to take me to Walmart, and I'm really excited, so I'm gonna go in the car. Hi guys, so I'm in the car, and we're going to Walmart. Hi, so we're at Walmart shopping for slime supplies. So we found the glue, and I got some clear glue. I'm gonna need a lot of clear glue, and I also need some white glue, which we're looking for some Elmer's white glue, because you need the Elmer's. Okay, so we got some clear beads to make a crunchy slime. We found a gooey section with slime, but we're not going to get it because it's weird. We're on the hunt for borax, shaving cream, and food coloring. I found this really cute shirt that would be cute for 4th of July. We're getting the borax right now.
Oh, really?
Hey, does anybody know if we have the slime display?
Okay, so we came to the front to get the liquid borax, but they didn't have it, so we're going to go back and get Tide, because you can use Tide or liquid borax, and we're going to use Tide.
Doesn't make any sense, does it?
Okay guys, so I just got back, and I got a ton of slime. It was $36 for all of this, and I had to pay for it. Slime. And yeah, so what I got is this Tide, because you can use Tide or liquid borax, and they didn't have the borax because a lot of people bought it. And lots of glitter to color like the clear one. Some clear beads, except they're diamondy, they're not like perfectly clear. And then I got some clear Elmer's glue. And I got some shaving cream to make it fluffy, make fluffy slime. And I didn't see any white Elmer's glue, so I got this one. And it's not Elmer's, and I didn't even think about that, so I hope it works. It was just cheaper. So yeah, you're also gonna need a container and like a chopstick or a spoon or something to mix it. And even though I have like never made this before, I'm just gonna like eyeball it, and I just have like half a cup just to pour some things slowly, and I'm kind of worried, but let's get started. So okay guys, so I did not show me making slime because I made it on camera and it was a fail, because it was my first one and it was a fail, so I did not want to put that up. But I made 3 slimes, and I worked really hard. I'm kind of tired. They were super fun. Here's all absolutely love them. So for me, the easiest slime to make was the fluffy slime with the shaving cream. I just feel like it was really easy and like it came together really fast and nicely. And since my Tide is like the original blue one, then it's like this really pretty baby blue, so that's why I didn't get any food coloring, but it's super beautiful. So here it is, super beautiful, and I absolutely love it. It's gorgeous, I love the color. And this one was made with shaving cream, the Elmer's glue. I used the clear Elmer's glue, and a little bit of glitter came in from my crunchy slime, which was my first one that I failed. Anyway, a little bit of the glitter came in from it, so it's pretty glittery a little. But yeah, that's about it. Just the shaving cream, clear Elmer's glue, and the Tide. And it's super fluffy. When it first came out, it looked like amazing. Like I wanted to eat it. It was fluffy marshmallow-y texture. And like it can rip easier than the rest, but you have to pull hard. Like it's really stretchy, but you know, not as stretchy as the others. But it's super pretty, and I love this. I feel like this was definitely the easiest one for me. And I like to make bubbles, although it is pretty hard to do for some reason. Anyway, after you make a bubble, it'll make this cracking noise like the crunchy slime. A little bit because like the air. I attempted. Anyway, you kind of hear that because it makes bubbles. Anyway, since that's kind of related to crunchy slime, let me show you. It actually did turn out, it just wasn't turning out at the beginning. So I watched some videos and it turns out I just had to add more Tide. But guys, slime is really hard to mess up. Just add, like, if your first one you mess up on, like, I promise you, your second one, you will not mess up on. Like, it's really hard to fail. Like, just add a little bit of Tide, mix it, if it's coming together, add a little more, you know, until it's like, it doesn't stick to your hands. So, here's my crunchy rainbow slime, you could call it, because it's like, since the Tide kind of gave it a bluish color, and then I added some glitter, and this is the glitter I added, so it made it kind of a purpley color. Anyway, for this one, and I did add a little bit of water to all of them, just to kind of balance it out. I didn't add any water to the fluffy slime though, because I wanted it to be more fluffy and less like, you know, slimy. So yeah, I did clear Elmer's glue, the Tide, this glitter, and a little bit of water. Mix it all together, added these clear beads, and of course everything I got at Walmart. I did not already have any of this, so I absolutely love it. It's so pretty, it's really stretchy. Hallelujah. It is amazing. Like, I love it. It is so amazing. Like, you could even poke this, because I didn't add like 1,000 beads or whatever, but I added some. I don't even know how much beads I added. But yeah, it's super amazing. I love it. I'm obsessed with these, and I don't even know how the sounds are made. Like, I don't know how that's possible. Although when you leave it out, it does get like running down, and I recommend not putting it in a bag or else it might stick. Put it in like a jar or like a little Tupperware with a lid and play with it up to every day, or else it will start to get kind of watery and separating. But, you know, that's just the cons. There's a ton of pros for this. Anyway, that was my fluffy slime and my crunchy slime. I did not make any like that metal kind of texture slime or any. I just did the fluffy slime, crunchy slime and the normal slime, the kind of main ones, not any of those special ones. This is my normal slime, and it's very amazing. I did not use the clear Elmer's glue. I actually didn't use Elmer's glue at all. I used this glue, the Craze Art washable glue, which I was really worried that it said washable glue. I was really worried something bad would happen, but you know, whatever. Anyway, so I'm just gonna leave it on my hand for a little bit and then peel it off so you'll know that like it comes off really easily with this glue too. And I'm gonna do the same for the Elmer's glue. This is the fluffy slime Elmer's glue one, and this is the normal slime. Okay, so I thought it was time. This one's like gooeying everywhere. So is this one. So I'm gonna start off with this one because it's mostly on my hand. So I just kind of peel it off. I should have done one at a time, but you know, see, it works. It works wonderfully. I'm like trying not to mix them together, but you know, like, it works amazingly. See, it's not sticked at all. It's super amazing. It's like sticky, and gooey, and not sticky, and not gooey, and it sticked a little bit together. Anyway, yeah. So that was the normal one, and it had black and blue glitter, and yeah, this one comes off really easy. Anyway, that's about it for my slimes. So I will definitely be making some more slimes, but that is it for this video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel down below. I will definitely leave the links down below of Karina Garcia and my fort. So yeah, bye!